Interpower Corporation, the premier supplier for power system components with 1-week manufacturing lead time and over 4 million parts in stock. Visit www.interpower.com for more information.
Today on Engineering Newswire, we're building the world's largest 3D printer, making eSkin digital tattoos, using your car to track your heart, and turning Darth Vader's mask into a Corvette. All on our 100th episode. Yeah, it's a big deal.
Yes! Oh my God! Yes! 100! Mattel's Hot Wheels is coming out with a new line of cars, Star Wars. And what better way to unveil the new line than with a full-size, fully operational Vader car at this year's Comic-Con. Mattel, I approve. The Vader car was built atop a C5 Corvette chassis, and it mimics its smaller counterpart perfectly. It's rumored to be capable of speeds up to 80 miles per hour, and it features lightsaber side pipes, red wheel trim, and a grille designed to resemble Vader's mask. It even sounds like Vader. Luke, I am your father. Sadly, the life-size version of this amazingly awesome Sith-mobile is just a one-off, so all of us regular folks will have to wait until October when the toys are scheduled to hit the shelves. Then it's up to our imaginations. But I would love to replicate the Death Star battle scene with those orange tracks. It would be epic. Yes.
The rapid manufacture of individual prototypes of products has advanced quickly since 3D printers started taking up more space in the office. In fact, everybody has been getting on the 3D printing bandwagon. Maybe you've heard of a little 3D printing competition happening? You could win an Affinia 3D printer. Shameless promotion. Now, one of the early players in the emerging 3D printer industry has developed an FDM printer with a massive build table that is 4 feet in diameter. Oh, and a build height of nearly 15 feet. It's freaking huge. CME has followed in the steps of the company's previous designs, using a Delta robot for printing, rather than the more traditional stepper motors. Unlike traditional FDM printers, this thing uses plastic pellets that are transferred to the extruder via compressed air. According to the company, using these pellets significantly lowers costs. CME has dubbed the machine Part Daddy, and they will be unveiling the finished machine at Maker Faire Detroit this coming weekend. The company says that this printer won't be as accurate as commercial 3D printers, which is understandable with a swappable 6.35 or 7.25 millimeter nozzle. But still, a 4 foot wide by 15 foot tall envelope is nothing to scoff at.
Come on, say it.
What?
Who's your daddy?
Silicon Valley technology company VivaLink has made the world's first commercial eSkin technology product, the digital tattoo.
Hey.
The electronic tattoo, developed in conjunction with Google's Advanced Technology and Projects Group, is a nickel-sized adhesive that you wear on your wrist. Right now, it unlocks your smartphone using near-field communication. Currently, the tech only works with Motorola's Moto X smartphone, but the team is working to expand to other devices. Because who owns a Moto X? Google. Google owns Moto. The tattoos are available in multiple designs, but really just look like a weird skin deformation. Lasting a few days longer than the temporary tattoos of your childhood, these things can withstand showering, swimming, and other activities for up to 5 days. And who knows what other types of information they'll hold in the future. Not want to know that. You know what they say, good tattoos aren't cheap, and cheap tattoos aren't good.
What?
A European consortium has joined the battle against fatigued driving, which, if you've ever been run off the road by a sleepy trucker, you can appreciate. The group is building Harken, a system that uses 3 principal components to monitor the driver's heart rate and breathing. Initially, it's a sensor in a seat cover and another in your belt, each sending data to the signal processing unit under the driver's seat. The SPU will filter and cancel the typical noise expected when you're in a moving vehicle. The idea is to work with traditional seat and belt manufacturers to weave the sensors into intelligent fabrics, which could one day become standard on all automobiles, but will likely be filled with many more, even stacked sensors. If the system thinks the driver is tired, it will send an alert to the driver. And we've heard of this before, particularly with companies working on tracking eye movement and similar seat sensors, but the tech could evolve beyond a simple alert message to shutting down the car entirely. Figures. I skip the first cup of coffee and the computer bricks my car on the way to the airport? And what if the technology falls into the wrong hands? What if your enemies hack the system? Send pulses in the other direction. Isn't that just... Oh! Ah! We're gonna die! Tragic. Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in the 101st episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm David Manti, and thank you for watching Engineering Newswire.